Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can access age restricted on Discord iOS. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First, what you need to do is open your web browser. And here, tap on the search bar and search for Discord. From the result, don't go to discord.com. Scroll down and go to discordapp.com. And now you need to log in to your account. Put in the login information for your Discord account, whether it's your phone number or your email, and then your password. After that, tap on Login. Wait for this page to load up. Once you're here, you need to tap on Menu on the top left corner. And after that, tap on the Settings icon on the bottom right corner. From here, you need to go to Privacy and Safety. Here, if you scroll down, you'll get to find an option that says Allow access to age-restricted servers on iOS. And as you can see, it says after joining on desktop, view your servers for people 18 plus on iOS devices. So just turn this option on. After doing this, when you open your Discord on your desktop, you will get to see servers that are for 18 plus people. So that is how you access age-restricted Discord on iOS.